Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a Amazon review on the Sejoy water flosser. It looks like this. It's super girly. I love the color of it. And of course, we want to take care of our teeth. So we need to make sure that we are flossing. So for today, I'm going to be reviewing the Sejoy water flosser that can be found at Amazon. And if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and get started with this review. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and break into it. I'm so excited to get into it. I usually use like my traditional floss. I actually use this one with the string, and I do notice that sometimes I could be very rough and it leaves my gums bleeding, or if not, they'll be kind of swollen because I'm going in too rough with the floss string. But today we are going to try out this water flosser. This is pretty new to me because I've never tried a water flosser before. I just always would usually use the traditional floss. So guys, what I noticed on here is, oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks like it's very much travel friendly. So this is pretty much the base of it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the water tank. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with water because I want to try it out and I want to see like all the features and benefits that this water flosser has. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop the water tank back in. It also does have a little tab right here where you can just let the water go once you're done, like that. You guys see that? Which is pretty cool. So right here in the very front, it does have like a little tab so you can actually charge it. It does come with a USB cable. Let me take it on out. So here is the USB cable. So you can go ahead and charge it up if you need to. And then you just connect this like that. Mine is already charged, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it for today. It also does come with 8 little heads. So it comes with different little heads, and you can obviously remove them and you just pop them off. I do notice that it comes with these different ones. I guess these are just gonna be the standard ones. These right here are gonna be the standard ones, but it also does have this one that's pointy. This one I believe is for your tongue, to scrape out your tongue. Make sure you clean that out as well. Don't forget that step. This one also does have like a little massager to massage your gums, and it has like little bristles. I don't know if you guys can see them. And then just the regular ones where it's just gonna shoot out water like this. So it does come with these 4. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this one here, and all you have to do is just pop it on top like this. It does a full 360, so can go ahead and move it around as you like. And this is very lightweight. Like the base of the floss is very lightweight. And then if you do need to remove the little head, you just pop this little button here to release it. And that's basically it. It also does have the power button, and it does have 5 different modes. I'm gonna actually look at the manual because I'm not exactly sure what the modes are, because I'm pretty new to this, but let's figure it out. So on here, it does have, oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so yes, so this one right here is gonna be your tongue cleaner. It comes with this one, the tongue cleaner. It also does have the standard jet tip. That's what it's called. So this one, it comes with a few of these. So this one is the standard jet tip. It also does come with the periodontal tip, which is going to be this one with the little bristle. And the orthodontic tip is this one right here, which is a little bit more pointier, and it's like really nice and soft. It kind of feels like a silicone. But that's what the tips are. So it comes with those different tips. So just some additional benefits from this water floss that it has on here on the box It does have the 5 cleaning modes, so it's gonna have, like, for example, if I turn this on, water's gonna start shooting out. Do you guys want to see how strong it is? So like the modes are gonna be like soft, strong, deep cleaning. So it does have the different modes on here. I don't know if you guys could see the little dots. The little lights will turn on. It has the 8 replacement tips that I just showed you guys. It does do the 360 rotation, so it's very movable. It does the full 360, and you can use this for up to a 30-day continuous use. So it's very durable. This is going to help clean food residue. It's going to inhibit oral bacteria. It's also going to massage your gums. It just has really good benefits. It has the USB charger, and it does have a 3-minute auto off button. The water tank holds up to 230 milliliters of water on the little water tank. And it can clean up to 90% of dental plaque. That's disgusting. I can't wait to try it out. It just has a lot of great benefits for your teeth. Make sure you're taking good care of your oral health. So it's saying that the strong water pulse can deeply clean the bacteria. It can remove dental stains, tar, food debris that's stuck in between the teeth. I know it's nasty to talk about, but our mouths are full of germs, and it's good to take care of your teeth that way. It also does come with this really cute little dust bag. So if you're traveling, you could just throw it in there and you're just maintaining your teeth. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited to try it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out. Okay, I know water's gonna shoot out, so I'm gonna point it that way, so that way you guys can see. So let's start off with turning it on. Oh my God, did you guys see this? Okay, it's at the very top one. So this is the one that's gonna go higher. Okay, I just turned it off, but it's very strong. So it's a very powerful and mighty. Let's go ahead and try it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and floss with it. It feels so clean. I felt like little crumbs coming out. No, it's disgusting, but this is pretty amazing. I'm pretty shook. And I really like it because it's really curly and it's purple. Perfect for me. I love really girly stuff. But they do have it in different colors in Amazon. I definitely need to replace the top because I had lipstick on it, but I could easily wipe it down as well. And I really like it. I'm gonna put all of the information listed down below if you guys want to go check out the Sejoy water flosser. I highly recommend and suggest it for you guys to try out. It's super budget friendly as well. That's also another great thing. Very easy to travel with, very lightweight, and it's very effective. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video today. I love how my teeth look. That's gonna be it for today. If you guys liked this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.